Hi, my name is Nick, and this tooltip is on creating colored floor plans. Creating a colored floor plan allows you to easily define a room visually in your working drawing sheets. First, we're going to create our actual floor plans from our model. So as you can see, I have a floor plan here that has some defined areas. I have a garage, I have a living room, dining room open concept, and I have a bathroom. And each of these areas are going to have a different floor assigned to them. So to do this, what I can do is I can go into my 2D Designer's view. This will bring up a nice rendered image of all the materials that are being used. And as you can see, I have a hardwood floor, a concrete floor, and a tile floor. I can import this into a worksheet and show the actual materials, or I can actually color code these floors so that they show up differently in my working drawing sheets. To do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my hardwood floor. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to Properties. Under the Properties, I'm going to select the Line Work tab. And under the Line Work tab, I'm going to select the 2D surface. Under the 2D surface, I want to enable solid fill. Once I enable the solid fill, I also want to give it an actual color. So for this hardwood floor, I want this to be red, and I can say OK. I'm going to say OK to that. I'm going to do the same option for the bathroom tile floor. Right click, Properties, Line Work, 2D Surface, Enable Solid Fill, and define a color. And I want this one to be blue. And I'm going to say OK and OK. And then one last time for our garage. Again, select the floor, right click, Properties, Line Work, 2D Surface, enable the solid fill, and give it a color. And we can say OK. The next option we want to do is we want to make sure that enable solid fill is selected in our properties. So I'm going to go to Settings, Document Settings, and under the Building Aids section, I want to enable solid fill. I'm going to say Apply, and then I'm going to select OK. I'm now going to go to my working drawing sheet. I'm going to select my floor plan, and I'm going to add in a smart view of that floor plan. So I'm going to go in and select the Define Smart View. And here I'm going to have this set up so that I can see the actual solid fill of each floor. And as I add this in, we're going to see that I have the red, blue, and green sections that highlight my different areas. And I'm going to leave this as a drawing, and I'm going to select Insert. And I can place that in. I can then create a legend off to the side that says red represents hardwood, blue represents tile, and green represents concrete. We hope this tooltip helps you moving forward. If you like what we're creating, be sure to subscribe for future videos. If you have comments, please let us know below. Thank you.